Are you looking for the best vacuum cleaners with good suction? In this video we will look at some of the best vacuum cleaners with good suction on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. BUTURE JR500 Vacuum Cleaner. Equipped with an upgraded 450 watts brushless motor, the lifespan of the BUTURE JR500 cordless vacuum cleaner is extended by 5 times. With 3-speed suction, it supports whole house cleaning with different needs. Suction is as powerful as a corded vacuum and the lowest does a great job alone. BUTURE JR500 cordless vacuums is equipped with 7 times 2200 mAh lithium battery, which ensures cleaning time up to 55 minutes. Note: 20 minutes at high suction and 55 minutes at low suction. The battery can be removed and replaced with one click, and you can purchase additional batteries for longer runtime. With a large diameter electric brush, BUTURE JR500 vacuum cleaners can clean a larger area at a time. The built-in V-shaped roller can effectively prevent hair from tangling and avoid the trouble of frequent brushing. The floor brush comes with 6 LED lights for easy cleaning even in the dark. The cordless stick vacuum has a 6-layer filter system, which can filter particles as small as 0.3 micrometers, effectively preventing dust from entering the engine, and at the same time releasing fresh air to prevent secondary pollution. The 1.2 liters large capacity dust bucket reduces the frequency of emptying and completes the cleaning faster. Number 2. BUTURE JR400 Vacuum Cleaner. BUTURE JR400 cordless vacuum cleaner is equipped with a 450 watts brushless motor and various brush accessories. Its powerful suction power of up to 38 kPa can remove fine dust and dirt at one time, giving you a quiet and efficient cleaning experience. BUTURE JR400 vacuum cleaners with 7 times 2200 mAh batteries to ensure a cleaning time of up to 55 minutes. The battery can be removed and replaced with one button. Spare battery is available in the store for longer runtime. Fully charged in 4-5 hours. The LED display shows the remaining power, suction power and blockage reminder of the cordless vacuums in real time. Suction can be adjusted by sliding the touch screen easily. Once a blockage is caused, a white light on the screen will light up immediately. Compared with the traditional 4-stage filtration system, BUTURE stick vacuum adds an extra air filter, which can filter dust and release clean air. The 1.5 liters large dust cup can accommodate more garbage and pet hair at one time, making cleaning more convenient. BUTURE JR400 cordless stick vacuum is equipped with a soft and hard bristled integrated brush, reducing the inconvenience caused by frequent roller replacement. Equipped with crevice brush, round brush and telescopic tube, this excellent lightweight cordless vacuum can easily clean dust or pet hair from ceilings, sofas, carpets, hard floors and crevices. Number 3. ABIR VC205 Vacuum Cleaner. Infrared dust sensing, detects and measures micro-size particles, smartly boost up motor speed. Built-in processor chip, intelligently adapts motor speed based on dust intensity. Optimum power efficient, prolong service time. Max 27,000 pascals power to pull out invisible tiny particles hidden in gaps. Much powerful than other brand. Ultra big LED touch screen, switch vacuum modes at fingertips, see vacuum speed, battery level, cleaning for sure, no guesswork. LED display ring light transit from red to blue while cleaning up dust, visualize cleaning process. Display battery energy digitally, know the right time to recharge, manage your charging time. The most advanced cyclonic technology, multi-stage filtration, instantly separate fur, dust from airflow, multi-stage power boost, instantly compress dust, hair into balls. E13 grade HAPR, remove 99.97% small dust particles, can be washed and reused. 1.1 kg handle, user can detach wind tube and use in portable mode to clean car seat, sofa. Floor brush LED light, eyes friendly, see the dirts in dark space. Crevice nozzle, soft brush, Mite removal brush included, versatile cleaning of sofa, table, curtain, keyboard. Suitable for mattresses, sofas and bedsheet. Window eye, door groove, and narrow areas. Deep cleaning for dust, mite, excrement and allergens. 0.8 liters dust cup, no need frequent empty and cleaning. All ABIR, fluffy roller, dust cup, cyclone are removable and washable. Minimal maintenance cost. Number 4. Suction Power JR600 Vacuum Cleaner. Break the tradition, innovation in technology. With a built-in smart dust sensor system, BUTURE JR600 cordless vacuum cleaner can automatically adjust the suction power according to the amount of dust in automatic mode. This allows the power of vacuum cleaner to be distributed appropriately, and running time is more doubled compared to being in max mode all the time. It is also easy to operate with one hand, as you do not need to adjust the suction power manually frequently. BUTURE cordless vacuums equipped with large 3.8-inch LED display. All icons in the screen are larger for the convenience of the elderly and the nearsighted. You can get status of battery life, suction levels, brush roller tangled and dust sensor blocked in time. Know the status of the vacuum cleaner at any time, and the cleaning becomes more efficient. BUTURE JR600 cordless vacuum adopts a 360-degree mechanical knob to manually adjust the suction power. By turning the outer ring of the display, you can adjust the suction power in the range of 1033 kPa. The vacuum cleaner has 10 levels of suction, which truly realizes stepless speed adjustment. The vacuum battery capacity has been upgraded again. Compared with 6 batteries, BUTURE vacuum cleaners upgrade to 7 times 2500 mAh battery capacity. In auto mode, the battery lasts up to 55 minutes, making it enough for a thorough cleaning on a 2,000 square foot home. The battery can be removed and replaced with one click. Hard, soft bristles are integrated together on one tangle-free roller that works excellently on carpets and floors. With built-in comb structure and V-shaped roller, JR600 vacuum cleaner truly realizes no tangle of hair. It is the perfect choice for families with pets. Number 5. BUTURE 33 kPa 450 watts vacuum cleaner. Breaks the rigid and inflexible cleaning mode. In auto mode, the cordless vacuum cleaner automatically adapts to different floor types, intelligently optimizing suction power and runtime between carpet and hard floors. The right balance of power and runtime when you need it, so you can get the job done efficiently without wasting battery life. Always ready for your next clean. Unlike ordinary wall mount stand, BUTURE VC50 cordless stick vacuum is equipped with a wall-mounted docking station that allows you to charge your vacuum directly while you store it. The battery is also removable to meet your various charging needs. OLED touch screen on the top of the battery allows you to switch auto and manual modes while vacuuming, and keeps you posted on everything from battery life to maintenance. Thanks to advanced multi-layer filtration, the stick vacuum cleaner captures pet dander and fine dust, expelling cleaner air. There are 3 speeds in manual mode, 13 kPa/23 kPa/33 kPa, so you can tailor it for specific tasks. Battery life is up to 50 minutes in minutes suction mode, with a 1.2 liters large canister for whole house cleaning. Ideal for those with furry friends at home. The cleaner head with anti-tangle comb can lift all the embedded dirt and pet hair from carpet or hard floors for deep cleaning across all floor types. Plus LED floor lights on the head for cleaning under furniture and beds, never missing any hidden dust.